First and foremost, let's reflect on ourselves. What is the share of our activities that is adding to worsen this environmental crisis? How much dust, waste, and garbage are our own institution making? And have we been managing the way it has to be? If not, please, let's reflect on ourselves, our activities, and let's start from that very first step of correcting ourselves. Why should we as citizens be concerned? Because air pollution does not discriminate. Oxygen, which gets compromised with the increased of production of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrogen oxide, and even the carcinogenic particles, which can result into hazardous health conditions. And that disturbs almost every system in the human body, be it respiratory system, be it your liver, kidney, and brain. It is a silent killer, and we cannot afford to ignore it. Currently, our Constitution of Nepal 2072 has protected right to clean environment as fundamental right, which states every citizen shall have the right to live in a clean and healthy environment. Here, we have already committed a fundamental mistake where we have quoted every citizen shall have right to environment, right to clean environment, whereas what I believe is it should not be limited to citizens. It rather should be protected for every individuals. Furthermore, we have Environment Protection Act 2076, Forest Act 2076, Watershed Conservation Act 2039, and with regards to waste management, we also have Solid Waste Management Act 2068. Furthermore, Nepal is also under international obligations, international conventions relating to protect the environment. United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change 1992, Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants 2001, Paris Agreement, and other many more. Recently, Nepal has also joined Climate and Clean Air Coalition 2022. Despite of having all these international conventions, national laws, regulations, and many more, our reckless actions of unmanaged urbanization, industrialization, and poor waste management have enlisted us as the citizen of the top 10 most polluted countries in the world. Till date, in Nepal, we as such have no specific pollution control act. So the next discussion I would like to float here upon is, let's find the policy gap together. Realizing this urgency, let's find the answer together. What actually the problem is? Do we really lack on binding our citizens with laws? Or is it the moral duties and disciplined behaviors we need to work on? Is it the time to formulate a pollution control act? Or do we need a better law enforcement and implementation system? Let us also draw inspiration from countries that have taken bold steps to combat air pollution, investing in renewable energy, implementing strict emission laws and standards, and empowering their citizens to make sustainable choices. Lastly, let us talk about action. Action as citizen, action as institution, action as experts, stakeholders, researchers, action as policymakers. Each of us has a role to play. Whether it's advocating for cleaner energy policies or simply choosing to reduce the carbon footprints in our daily lives, every action counts. Let's seize this moment, not just with words, but with actions. Let us commit to tackle the air pollution crisis with seriousness, with the dire seriousness it deserves. Let's initiate a legacy of change. Thank you.